everybody. In today's video, I've got some sad news. So, it's about my sword. Take a look. My sword is broken. This piece right here is supposed to go on. This is what it looks like right now. So I think I'm gonna wood glue this piece back on, but it won't be strong enough for me to do any chopping. So I think I'm gonna frame it. Or not frame it, maybe just hang it up in my workshop. But that will be in another video, so not right now. I have some more sad news. Look at my shield. It's got a hole in it. It's even worse on the back. Look at that. I think I'm gonna tape it up in this video. And the final bad news, you may be wondering why I'm wearing my Spidey helmet instead of this helmet. Well, Spider-Man mask. So this part, you can't see that well, but it's breaking a little. There's this little flap in here. So we're gonna repair that in this video. And we're gonna see if we can repair the shield. Alright, well, since don't want to do that much editing, I'm just gonna go straight to it. So, now let's get our helmet ready. So, we got our duct tape here. Just trying to find the seam. This is gonna take a while. Alright, found it. Now, here we go. And I'm gonna tape it on the inside and attach it to this tape. Now, I'm gonna tape it even more and attach it to the cardboard on the outside of the helmet. There we go. Now our mask is as good as new. Or at least I thought it was. This part's still loose. The part by the eye hole, the mask is like coming, it's like falling, the connection between the mask and the helmet is breaking. So you gotta tape it back together. Now I think I got it. Well, I'm gonna go switch real quick from my Spider-Man mask to my helmet. Alright, looking better. Now, we have our duct tape here. Let's get started on this. So I think we're just gonna kind of cover it all and duct tape. Not the best tape job, but we're gonna tape over it some more. And finally, let's do one last strip. Well, two more strips, because there's little areas where it's not covered, like this area. Oh, and this little seam on the top. There we go. Now we're all taped up. Now we gotta do the front. I think we're gonna have to make a new shield eventually, because this one's pretty battered. Let's look for any more areas. Oh, well, this area, for starters. That's coming undone. Now, let's see. I mean, there's this crack. There's a crack here and a crack here. Our little piece. See that right there? Yep. Alright, and last one. Let me... Well, we got this crack, and we got one there. So I'm just gonna go repair those real fast. Well, pretty good. And then now let's look at the front. We've got cracks kind of everywhere. Let's get this crack right there. Kind of a longer one. I'm gonna have to use 2 pieces for this. Oop. And last crack right here. There we go. It's looking a bit rusty, but it's my shield. It's gonna have to work until I can make a new one. Oh well, that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.